this is J.O.A.T.D back with another video. Right in front of you is a 2009 Scion XB. This is a second generation XB. We are having a problem with the electronic release lever. Basically, it unlocks the hatch so that you can open it. The hatch won't open. So basically, what I had to do was lay the back seats down, crawl into the trunk, pull the plastic cover off of the hatch, and inside you can see the locking mechanism. There's a little silver switch on it, and you just move it to the right and it'll pop the door open, and then you can just push the door open. So basically, let me just show you. Let's see. It's gonna be hard to see, but this right here is what we're replacing. The only way to replace this, you have to take this whole trim piece off right here. Like all of this, you have to take this off to be able to replace it. So we're gonna open the door and go ahead and start taking it off. All right guys, so that lever I was talking about is this little silver switch right here. You're gonna stick a flathead or something in there and move it to the right. That right there is what unlocks it and opens it if the battery's dead or if your release lever doesn't work. Okay, all right guys, so to get that trim piece off, what you're gonna have to do is remove 3 10mm nuts. One here, and then one right here. So we're gonna start by taking those off. Alright, so now that you have those off, what you're gonna have to do is cut the clips too. So let's show you how to do that. Alright guys, so inside here is a clip. You see that clip right there? You're gonna have to cut that clip off. Alright guys, so let's go up in here and show that I cut that off. See right there? I actually cut the clip off of it. That's one side, and you got to go on the other side up in here, and let's see if I can see that right there, that clip. You got to cut that off, cut that clip off too, and then that whole trim piece will just fall off. All right, so I'm going to cut this off just to show you how to do it. Let's see. Alright, there we go. Now the clip is off, and what we're going to do is pull that trim piece off. Okay, so we're going to pull this down. I'm not going to close it, because if I close it then it won't open. Well, we'll have to crawl on the inside to do it, but this part should just come off. There you go. Alright, so these are the little clips that's on it. One right here, and then it's one on this side over here too. So that's what we cut off. You're gonna have to get some more of those clips. Alright guys, so right here, this is the actual electronic lock right here. So you're gonna just, it has the 2 holes in it where it's kind of held on by the threads. Just pull it straight. Let's see. There you go. So we got the whole thing off. Now, right here, all you do is just turn it around, push down on this little tab, pull the whole thing off. And you're gonna have to get you a new one of these. okay? And then once you get a new one, put your clips back in here. One goes right here, and then one goes on this side, the new clips. And then you put the actual electronic lock back on, and then slide everything back in, snap it back down, and put the panel back on in the inside, and that's it. And this is J.O.A.T.D, and I'm out.